this rig? What's it like down there by you? It's fine.
Carl, jump in with him. And he wants to come where I am. Here. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Stop! How didn't you just fucking roll that? No, don't get out of there. There's a rut holding you up. You're gonna gingerly reverse. It ain't going forward, it's going to go over if it goes forward. Gently reverse.
Hang on.
And put your fucking hand and your head in. Right. There's something spinning. Right, you want to come up here, so go left hand down and back. That's it. Now this way, and then up here. Head straight. Go back and come forward, you'll make it. Like that.
Stuck in that rut in the back left wheel. Just winch it off that stump, onto this hard stand.
Is it stuck?